Fish pulusu is a spicy and tangy fish curry from the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. Here is a recipe that you can follow to make it at home. Ingredients: 500 g fish fillets, any firm white fish, such as tilapia or catfish. 2 onions, chopped. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 2 green chilies, slit. 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon fresh cilantro, chopped. Instructions: in a small bowl, soak the tamarind pulp in a half cup of warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and fenugreek seeds and cook until they start to splutter. Add the chopped onions and green chilies to the skillet and sauté until the onions turn translucent. Add the chopped tomatoes to the skillet and cook until they become soft and pulpy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt to the skillet and mix well. Add the tamarind pulp along with the water to the skillet and bring the mixture to a boil. Add the fish fillets to the skillet and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the gravy has thickened. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve hot with steamed rice or roti. Enjoy your homemade fish pulusu.